guys, this is Ben with Fathouse Fab, and we're here today to talk about our new S197 lightweight battery catch can combo skeleton kit. And I just want to show you real quick, our original design was pocketed on the bottom to save as much weight as possible, but we're throwing that out the window and we're going to go with the new design, which is completely cut out. This is going to save an additional 2 pounds over the original kit. You know, more weight savings the better. So now it's also going to come anodized black. Catch can's going to be black, so that everything's blacked out. You can purchase black braided line kits. We have push lock line kits, valve cover fittings, everything you need for install available on the website. If you have any questions, you can shoot them over to sales@fathousefab.com, or you can connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we'll see you next time.